everyone, my name is Feliza. Welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a room tour. About 2 years ago, I did a room tour video and you guys really enjoyed it. My walls were still white. I actually painted them. So my room has definitely made a change since then. I still have some of the same room decor and everything, but the whole like layout of everything has changed. And I feel like recently I have been super obsessed with just interior designing and just decorating my room and finding cute pieces for my room and room decor and just decorating and everything. So the process of decorating my room took pretty much like a whole week because we painted my walls. I decided to do like a beige cream color. Okay, so my room is looking really messy right now just because we have been painting for the last few days. So it's looking really messy right now, but we just finished painting and this is what it looks like right now. Just have to put the decorations up and put all my stuff back together because it's super messy. So yeah, I can't wait to show you guys how I designed my room. And yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, so I'm gonna start on this side of my room. So starting over here is my makeup area and my mirror. So this is where I get ready every single day. So I have my everyday makeup products here. So I just have my makeup bag. Like I said, my everyday makeup, some makeup wipes, my moisturizer. So whenever I am getting ready, I am always in this area of my room. So this table is really old, but I actually just got like this marble like sticker paper thing. And I just put it on top just to make it look more modern looking. And I love the look of marble, so I'm really obsessed with this. So this is also a good way to like kind of like revamp any like tables that you have. You can just get little like sticker tiles like this and they look brand new. And then up here I have a little shelf. So I just have my Polaroid camera there, some candles. I actually like did this like marble painting thing myself. Just a quick DIY. I have my little flower from Hawaii and just some fake flowers up here because I can't keep real ones alive. Moving on to this portion of my room where my bed is. So my comforter is just from Walmart. It's just a floral print. I really like it because I like how it's white but then also has some like nice pops of color. So yeah, it's just from Walmart. So my headboard actually just used to be like a brown like wood kind of thing, and I actually just got some more sticker paper type stuff and I just put that on my headboard. My headboard used to be really old and there was a bunch of like scratches and stuff on it, so that's why I got this sticker paper just to cover that up. And it also looks like really cute. I've never had like a white headboard like this. And then I just have some Polaroid string lights. These are from Urban Outfitters. I'll try and have the link to them down below. And then above my bed, I just have this little section here. So I have twinkle lights that go pretty much all around my room. I love twinkle lights so much. I'm like literally obsessed with them, so I have it everywhere. So the twinkle lights are from Amazon. They're like 33 feet long, I'm pretty sure, so it's pretty long, so it definitely goes around your whole room. So I'm super obsessed with just finding like cute posters and cute quotes that I can put up on my wall because I love like having positive quotes and motivational quotes on my wall with cute backgrounds. Here it says, "Home is where the heart is." It says happy place and just like a bunch of cute things like that. It's like very like Pinteresty, which I love. And then if you move over here, I have some more motivational quotes. So yeah, just some nice things. And then over here, I just have a big picture frame. This is just from Walmart. If you guys watched my old room tour video, then you guys would have seen this. I really like this, so I just left it in my room. So yeah, it's just really cute and Pinteresty. And then moving on, here is my desk area. So I just have my laptop here. If you guys are wondering where my desk is from, it's just from IKEA. And my chair I've had for like literally forever. I'm pretty sure it's just from Walmart. It's just a blue chair, and I always have like a blanket here. I don't know why. I'm just that type of person who like always needs a blanket with them. So yeah, I just have that. And same thing, have some more motivational quotes. So yeah, stuff like this. Together is my favorite place to be. The best thing to hold on to in life is each other. All good things are wild and free, and love more. And I also enjoy kind of like arranging the different posters in different ways, just so that it looks more unique. And then when you move onto this side, I just have this little wall decor here. It's just a rose gold, like triangular, like photo clip art thing. Yeah, so it just has some more motivational things like life is beautiful, love, anything is possible, be in the magic of the moment, and just cute stuff like that. I love rose gold and just cute stuff like that. And then I have my twinkle lights, which go all the way around, and the twinkle lights also go around my window area. And then over here I just have my tripod for filming, and over here I have my ukulele because I used to play the ukulele actually when I was little, so I just have that there. And then here I have some more posters. These ones were actually in my old room tour video, and I decided to just use them again because I really like the sayings on them. And then here I have my little lounge area. Yeah, so I just have my little white chair. I think it's so cute. It's super comfy. I have a throw pillow that's super fluffy. This is just from Walmart, and I have my purse here. And then I just have my closet here. Nothing too exciting. It's usually pretty messy, but yeah, so that's my closet. And also, if you guys are wondering what the paint color of my room is, it is just like a cream beige, but without like the yellow undertone. It has like a grayish undertone. I'm gonna have a link down below to the actual shade of the paint that I got. So my walls used to just be plain white, like my door here, and then we painted the rest like that kind of beige color, but we did leave like the tops of like my ceilings white, just so that it has like a nice kind of like accent color. So everything for the most part is like that beige color, but then we do have a little bit of white just so that there's like a variety of different shades. And so that pretty much is my entire room. So that was my room tour. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and are subscribed to my channel. And turn your post notifications on so you get notified every time I post a new video. I'm trying to post weekly again. And make sure you follow me on my Instagram. It's just Feliza. I will have it linked down below. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I can't wait to see you all in my next one. Bye!